Hello friends, welcome to next video. Today we are going to learn about fillet and chamfer from different approach. In previous video we did fillet and chamfer in extruded model, but in this tutorial we are using fillet and chamfer while drawing sketch, so that later on we don't have to worry on filleting and chamfering. So let's start the video. Okay, first of all open SolidWorks, and go to file. No need to tell about this. New okay, so go to sketch. To sketch, I have already told you to choose any of the plane, so I choose here front plane, and after click sketch, and okay, go to rectangle here, because fillet and chamfer are done on the perpendicular edges, so we have to choose rectangle here. So make rectangle and put dimension of 100 by 100, 100 and 100 here. Okay, your figure is ready. And from sketch, I have already told we learn fillet and chamfering from sketch, so it's easy. You are seeing this here, or curve like shape, and there are two species. One is sketch fillet and another is sketch chamfer. And so I'm going to choose fillet in these two corners here and chamfer in here and here. So choose fillet first and click that point. You are seeing this, you have to click this point. And if you want to put some dimension, you can put from here. So if you want to, I want to put 15. Okay, 15 radius fillet. One is here, another is here, and click OK. Here you can see the preview. The diagram is ready after fillet, and in these two corners, I want to put some chamfer. So a chamfer of equal distance by distance means 45 degree, so it will automatically create chamfer of 45 degree of, I want to put like a 15 here, same dimension down there, and so choose this and click that point, vertex. So and choose OK. Here your sketch is ready with chamfer on top corners and fillet on bottom corners, and go to features, extruded boss base. Now this is your preview, and I want to make it of 100 mm, so you can see the preview here. Okay, the difference between putting fillet after extruded boss or before sketch is no need to worry about the edges. You can do it faster than doing fillet and chamfering after extruded boss base. So and it is faster to put fillets. And you can see our corners, these corners are removed. So if you want to put some fillet, then we can do after extrusion. So if you want to do, then you can just go here, fillet here, and choose okay, choose chamfer. And for this you have to select the face or any edge. So if you select this, okay, if you select these two edges, then let's see what will happen. This is opposite edge, and choose this. Okay, then 45 degree 10 mm. Okay, if we click OK, then let's see what will happen. Reveal either one of the chamfer dimension is out of range. So what we'll do is we'll just click OK. It's showing that chamfer in the fillet, it's denying to make chamfer in this fillet shape. Okay, if you deselect this, if you remove this, then okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, reveal one of the chamfer dimension is out of range. So just delete this face one, delete the face one. Okay, the selection is cleared, and if you choose fillet, then let's see what will happen. Chamfer first. Okay, this is chamfer. In edge, it's denying to have chamfer in this face. So in this edge also I want to put some chamfer. Go to chamfer. Okay, 10 into 45 degree. That's fine. Okay, you can see here this upside of this model is all chamfered, and okay, we'll see about filleting in this bottom face. So just select this edge and go to fillet. Face 1, 10 mm. Okay, what will happen? Let's see. Okay, our model. This is our model. Upper part is chamfered and lower part is fillet. So you can see. Then you guys put some comment which is easier, putting chamfer before 3D modeling or putting chamfer after your model is ready. Which one is easier? I like to know. I like to know it from comments. So put some comments down there. So thank you for watching this video, and subscribe for more new videos. We'll put videos regularly so that you can enhance your rate of study from my channel. So thank you.